Hey guys, nothing is more frustrating than getting a black screen in OBS when you're trying to record or stream your game. Don't worry, I've got the fixes that actually work. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix a black screen on OBS step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to 4DDIG. Method 1. Run OBS as administrator. First, close OBS completely. Right-click on OBS Studio and select Run as Administrator. Some games literally won't let OBS capture them unless it has admin rights. This single step fixes the problem for tons of people. Method 2. Set OBS to high performance graphics. Next, we're going to make sure OBS uses the right graphics card. Close OBS completely. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll all the way down and click on Graphics. On older Windows, it might say Advanced Graphics Settings. Now, click Add Desktop App. Navigate to OBS Studio in your C or D drive. Go to the bin, select 64-bit, and then click on OBS 64.exe. Add it. If you mainly use game capture or window capture, choose high performance. This forces OBS to use your powerful dedicated graphics card, NVIDIA or AMD, which is what most games use. This usually fixes the black screen for games. If you mainly use display capture, choose power saving. This makes OBS use your integrated graphics card, usually Intel, which is the same one your desktop is running on. This often fixes the black screen when capturing the desktop or multiple monitors. Most gamers should start with high performance. Click Save, then launch OBS and test your capture again. Method 3. Set up game capture correctly. Hit this plus button in OBS to add a new source, game capture. In the settings, ensure that capture specific window is selected as your mode. Select the game you want OBS to connect to and make sure your game is already running or you won't see any screen. If you still see black, don't panic, move on to the next fix. Method 4. Try window capture. A lot of games actually work better with window capture instead of game capture. Add window capture, select your game window, and it should appear right away. Super simple. Method 5. Use display capture as backup. If nothing else works, add a display capture. It's not the most efficient, but it almost always shows your screen. Just remember, it uses more resources. Method 6. Increase priority for OBS. Go to OBS Settings, Advanced, Process Priority, and set it to above normal or high. This will make sure that OBS has enough resources to output the signal, which may help fix your OBS black screen issue. Here's a bonus tip for you. Sometimes, even after fixing the black screen, your previously recorded videos might end up corrupted, laggy, or unplayable. It happens more often than you think. In that case, I personally use a tool called 4DDIG File Repair. It's pretty straightforward. You just add the corrupted video file, and it can repair broken, blurry, or corrupted recordings. It also has AI features that can sharpen details and even upscale the video quality up to 4K if needed. It works on MP4 files from OBS and many other formats. If you have old recordings you thought were ruined, it's worth giving them a try. I'll drop the link in the description below so you can check it out. We are currently offering a free 3-day trial. Come give it a try. So that's all. Don't forget to like and share with your friends. See you next video.